Hi, welcome to Trading with TK, teaching you to turn ideas into money. We're at www.tradingwithtk.com. It's Tuesday, December 30th. Now, tomorrow is the last trading day of the year. You can still take losses up till tomorrow. So if you want to do any of that tax selling, tomorrow is the last day you can do that for the year. Let's get to the market. Followed through from the rally that started yesterday, and I just thought it was a pretty broad-based rally. It felt good. A lot of stocks started moving back up. Some of them even broke out. We got the rally just when we needed it. All those formations that I've been talking about for the last 2 weeks are still intact. I'll show you what I mean when we take a look at them in our final segment. So we got the rally just when we needed it, and so let me tell you what I think is going on here is that the market is slowly building a base. It's a slow, tedious process. Now, I mentioned a couple of weeks ago that I expected the market to do better, but it's going to be a slow process. You're going to need patience, and you're going to need a strong stomach. I believe the lows in most stocks have been seen for at least for the intermediate term, and that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for the market to stage some sort of an intermediate term uptrend, but it's going to be a slow process, a slow climb up. Nothing's going to take off. I mean, they came down fast, but they're not going to go up that fast. They're going to go up slow. So that's what I see happening. And we'll take a look at all the major indexes, the case in point about the market doing better is we were able to take a little over 40% out of that SOL stock in the last week and a half or two. So little by little, individual stocks are beginning to make the turn. Some of them are still in the process of building a base, but each time the market has a little rally like it had late yesterday and follow through today, some of these stocks are starting to act better and better. Like I said, slow process, patience is the key. Let's see. Taking Friday off, be no video Friday, and probably no video tomorrow. I'm not going to highlight any new stocks until the beginning of the year, which is Monday. So the next time I think you're probably going to hear from me will be Monday. So let's go take a look at all the major indexes, and I'll show you that we got the rally, just when we needed it, because all those formations are still intact. I'll show you what I'm talking about, so don't go away. I'll be right back. Okay, we're looking at a daily bar chart of the Dow Jones averages. As you can see, this is today's rally, and I believe this turn here, these last 3 days, are going to get us up to at least back up to this old high area again. I'd really like to see them break out above that high, but I don't know if it's going to happen on this try or if it's got to come back again. But I believe we're going to at least get to that old high on this little turn that we've got for the last couple of days. The other thing I want to mention is that this reverse head and shoulders pattern, I believe this whole pattern is eventually going to turn out to be a base, particularly this side of it anyway. And we held this key area, talked about it yesterday. That's that key area right there. Although that wasn't a deal breaker, this is the deal breaker right here. But we got a good solid rally off of that, and it was important that we got that rally. So theory's still intact. I'm still looking for the market to do better, but it's going to be a very slow process. Individual stocks will one by one start to turn the corner. Okay, let's go take a look at the transportation average. Okay, it's a daily bar chart of transports, and pointed out in last night's video that this was a key area. We don't want to see this violated. If that violated, this whole formation would not turn out to be a base building formation, which is what I believe it is. I believe this is going to turn out to be a base. Anyway, decent rally in the transports.
closed on the high of the day, and I would think they're probably at least going to try and get up to this area on this push. Hopefully we can get through. If we can get through, that would be that would be a really good technical achievement. Okay, let's take a look at the Russell 2000. Okay, we got a daily bar chart of the Russell 2000, and we still got this ascending triangle intact. Rising bottoms with this flat top. Love to see it break out. You know, it's set up to do it. Let's see if it has enough power to get through there. If it does have enough power to get through there, that just increases the possibility that the market wants to do better. But we'd like to see that high breached in another day or two. Okay, let's go take a look at the QQQQs. Okay, and finally we're looking at the daily bar chart of the QQQQs, top 100 NASDAQ stocks. And, you know, we've also got this ascending triangle working here. Looks like we violated it a little bit yesterday, but, you know, we never really got a close below it. And an old partner of mine who actually taught me most of the technical analysis that I still play around with today told me days like that you just put your thumb over it so you can't see it. Anyway, I believe this pattern is still intact, and what we're looking to see is a breakout above these highs. We'll see if the market wants to do that for us. Okay, so you know, that's my case. That's how I see the market. I'm still looking for the market to do better. I still believe that we're in a basing formation, and I'm looking for some sort of an intermediate term rally, which might even turn into something more than that. But it's a slow process, and you're going to need patience. Okay, I want everybody to have a happy and healthy New Year, because I probably won't be talking to you till Monday. This is TK signing off.